Hi, I'm Cheddar, the Queen of Cheese Fairyland.
And I am Mozzarella, also Queen of Cheese Fairyland.
Undead mushroom.
Sorry that happened, but we have a lot of those.
Yeah, we have a
Yeah,
lot of
that
undead mushrooms here. Okay, guys, this is Cheese Fairyland, a new show. Bye.
Bye!
Bye!